Hey everyone, Samantha Hildebrandt here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a day in the life of what I eat in a day as a type 1 diabetic. First and foremost, I need my morning coffee. So I'm gonna get myself a cup of coffee right now. My blood sugar is 141, a little bit higher than I'd like this morning, but thankfully coffee does not spike my blood sugar. So I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and then I will eat breakfast. So for breakfast, I try to eat high protein. And that kind of just depends on my day. I am actually a new mother, so my day does vary a lot now and what time I'm eating and all of that. But right now it is 8:15 in the morning. My blood sugar is 133, and I am going to actually have a hard-boiled egg. So yesterday I made sure to just hard boil some eggs for the week, and I am going to have that now for my breakfast. Hard-boiled eggs are a great option if you want a high-protein breakfast that's quick and easy, and if you're on the go, it's even better because you can take it with you. But I usually just top it with salt and garlic and sometimes hot sauce, and I'll just eat it as my breakfast. I do not take any insulin for this hard-boiled egg. There's no carbs in this. Some people I know have to take it for the protein, but I do not see any effects of eating protein on my blood sugar, so I just eat this. There is nothing better than finding a food you can eat that you don't have to take insulin for. You just feel like a normal human again. For my midday snacks, I like to eat meat sticks. And one of my favorite brands is Larissa's. So they've actually rebranded, so they don't look like this anymore, but I still have some in my pantry. But this is just a original beef stick. It has 6 grams of protein. So I love eating this for my snack. And the other good thing about it is I don't have to take insulin for it, which is absolutely amazing. And so right now my blood sugar is 116. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this as my snack and go from there. This is my yogurt bowl. It's whole milk Greek yogurt. It has some berries in it, blackberries, raspberries, and then also some organic nuts as the granola. Choosing a whole milk option will lessen the spike of your blood sugar versus a non-fat milk option. If you want a granola option that won't be terrible on your blood sugars, use the grain-free Purely Elizabeth versus their original that has grains in it, because it will spike your blood sugar. But this will not have as bad of an effect on your blood sugar. Or if you want to be really good, just use natural raw nuts. I took 3 units for this yogurt bowl. My blood sugar is currently at 90. For dinner tonight, I am eating pad thai. I don't usually get pad thai. It's a fun little treat that I'm doing tonight. So my blood sugar right now is 156. I took 3 units for that. I'll probably have to take more in a little bit, but it's one of those foods like pizza that it hits you later on. So you don't want to take too much up front. So I took 3 units and that is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. For dessert, I will be eating this Hu hazelnut butter chocolate bar. It is super good. Hazelnut is by far the best flavor. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's video. I will see you guys next week. Bye. If you are looking to lower your A1C, stay in range more often, and just become healthier overall, check out the ebook linked below.